Welcome back to Gargi's tutorial. Today we will talk about verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word which tells or asserts something about a person or thing in the state of doing or being or being acted upon. The verb is a doing or being word. In other words, in simpler form, verb is a doing word. Verb is also an action that we all do. For example, Harry laughs. This is in a state of doing. What is Harry doing? Harry laughs. Second example, the cat is dead. What is the action the cat is being on? The cat is dead. Number 3, Ram is scolded. This is an action which is being acted upon. What is Ram being done? He is being scolded. Hope you have understood. Now, verbs are of two kinds. We need to know what are the types of verbs. Number 1, that is transitive verb. Now, what is a transitive verb? When the action denoted by the verb passes from the subject to the object, it is called transitive verb. We all know that in a sentence consists of a subject and an object. Let me give you a few examples. Number 1, Hira heard a noise. In this sentence, Hira is the subject and the object is noise. The verb is heard, which passes from the subject to the object, that is noise. So, this is a transitive verb. Number 2, the boy rings the bell. Now, who is ringing the bell? The boy. The boy is the subject in the sentence and the bell is the object. The verb, that is rings, the action from the subject boy passes to the bell, that is the object. Number 3, Pushpa plucks a flower. Now, Pushpa is the subject in the sentence and flower is the object. Now, Pushpa is doing what? She is plucking a flower. So, the action is being transferred from Pushpa to the flower. So, this is all about transitive verb. Now, the second type of verb is intransitive verb. It is just the opposite of transitive verb. When the action denoted by the verb does not pass over to any object, it is called intransitive verb. For example, the army fought bravely. Here, the subject is army and the action which is being denoted is fought. So, the action from the subject is not passed on to any other object. There is no object in this sentence. So, the army fought bravely is an intransitive use of verb. Number 2, Pushpa dances. Here the subject is Pushpa. What Pushpa is doing? She dances. So, there is no object here where the action is being transferred to. Number 3, he spoke rudely. How did he speak? He spoke rudely. So, here also the subject is not, the action from the subject is not passed on to any object. Number 4, another example, the last example is Ram laughs. So, what is Ram doing? Ram laughs. So, the action again is not being transferred to any object. So, these are few examples of intransitive verb. Hope you understand the difference between the transitive and the intransitive verb. Now, most verbs can be used both as transitive as well as intransitive. Depending on how we use such verbs, it would be better to say that a verb is used transitively or intransitively. Now, in my next class, I will come back with how the usage of verbs in transitive way and intransitive way, and we will focus more on them broadly. I hope you have understood today's lesson and I have tried to make it more simple so that it's clear with all of you. And if you have any doubts, we'll come back next day. So, bye-bye for now. Thank you.